US President Joe Biden has announced that he will end his candidacy for re election, saying it is in the best interest of my party and the country. It comes 4 months before Americans go to the polls upending the race for the White House. It follows weeks of intense pressure from fellow Democrats after a faltering debate performance against Republican Donald Trump at the end of the June. In the letter posted to his social media account, he said it had been the greatest honor of his life to serve as president. And while it has been my intention to seek re election, I believe it is in the best interest of my party and the country for me to stand down and to focus solely on fulfilling the duties as president for the remainder of my term. He said in his statement he would address the nation on the matter next week. President Biden thanked his Vice President Kamala Harris, saying she was an extraordinary partner.